Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools, Mingw WW64 or MSys2 and Visual Studio Code. Install the C/C++ extension so IntelliSense works. Once installed, add the Mingw bin directory to your path in System Environment Variables so the terminal and VS Code find GCC and G++. This ensures compilation commands run from any shell. Make sure to choose the correct architecture. 64-bit compilers produce 64-bit executables. After that, open VS Code and verify the terminal sees GCC version. Once done, configure VS Code. Create a tasks. JSON to call G++ with your source files and output executable so builds are a single command. Then set up launch. JSON using the CPPDBG adapter and point my debugger path to the min-gwgdb. exe to enable breakpoints and stepping. Also edit CPP properties. JSON to set compiler path and include path so IntelliSense parses headers correctly. These steps connect the editor, build tool, and debugger, giving you code completion, building, and interactive debugging in one workflow. Finish by building and running a simple main. CPP to confirm everything works. Use the integrated terminal so path is consistent. If something fails, check common issues. Path might point to another GCC, my debugger path could be wrong, or you may have mixed 32-bit and 64-bit binaries. Restart VS Code after editing environment variables and reload the window to refresh IntelliSense. If debugging still fails, regenerate launch/tasks files and ensure the compiler and debugger versions match to avoid subtle incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.